नमस्कार नमस्कार थैंक यू वेरी थैंक यू वेरी प्लीज रिस्पेक्टेड प्रभु सर, रमेश सर और हमारे सारे प्यारे प्यारे दोस्तों, टुडे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी because you invited me to know that I am very ordinary person, ordinary teacher. Despite you invited, I became very happy. So this is my first time that I will speak in English because I got very few chance to speak in English. So I will try. If I will make some mistake, please forgive me. So I am doing similar work as FFE does. We support the student who have talent, who has courage to do something good, but they have no resources, no money. For example, we will start with a story of Nidhi. Nidhi's father is a auto driver. He is very poor. He has not own auto, he rented auto and drive. And his daughter Nidhi wanted to become an engineer, but he has no money. Nidhi has no money. She went in government school where facilities were nothing. Despite it, she labored hard. After some times, when he passed class 10, she knew about my program Super 30 and she came to meet me with his father from Varanasi. I spoken to her and found that she has courage to do something, and she told me that, sir, I have no house, we live in a hut, my father is auto driver. Despite it, I want to become an engineer. Then I accepted her as my student and she started labor very hard. After 2 years, when result came, we surprised because she qualified the IIT entrance examination. And after some times, a French film director, Pascal Picasso, he was searching for a student entire the world who have success story. Then Nidhi had selected. She had been selected for the film, and a big team came to me and Nidhi house for shooting. And when the film was going to be released in France, me and my brother, Nidhi's family, all together went for premiere show. We went there 1 day before. We are traveling, visiting in the street of Paris, and suddenly we saw the poster of Nidhi in street of Paris. We surprised that a student, a girl from underprivileged family can do miracle if we support, if you support. And my second story is a story of Abhishek. You can see in the picture Abhishek. He lived in a village where water was not available, there were no electricity, there were no facilities. Despite it, his parents wanted to teach them. But his father was unemployed. Mother earned that time about 20 years ago only 200 rupees per month. And this is very difficult to survive the family. Sometime they had no food to eat. Despite it, Abhishek mothers always inspired her son for the studies. And after passing class 10th, they knew about my program Super 30. And you have already seen Abhishek in the film. He is my first batch student, and from his inspiration, we started the program Super 30. He came to me and told that, sir, I have nothing to do. Despite it, I labor hard. I am working as a labor in some restaurant, some hotel, and despite it, I am studying. Then I tested him and saw that he had ability to solve the problem of calculus, algebra from Russian books. So I impressed and I told him, please come and start a study with us. He, after 2 years of hard labor, he had good rank in IIT JEE and he went to IIT Kharagpur. Next, and now in the picture you can see that he is in Texas now and working as a general manager in a big company. So life can be changed if you help them. Next, my next story is a story of Sasi Narayan. Sasi Narayan's brother committed to suicide because they had no food to eat. His father was very, very low paid employee in a small hospital. But Sasi didn't lose his courage. He continued study in government school. And after passing class 10th, he knew about me. He came to me and qualified IIT JEE, went to IIT Kharagpur, and now he is a scientist in Google in London office. And it is surprising news for us that he is married with British girl. So, next slide. Many people generally ask me, Anand, what is the reason that you have started the program Super 30? What is the reason? Actually, I also come from very, very poor family. And my father was low-paid employee in postal department. He sorted and distributed the letters. But he had dream. He wanted to give us very good education, and I wanted to become a good teacher, a good mathematician, but I had no money to continue our studies in private school. So I also went to government school. But in Patna, there is no good library which have good generals. But I had a dream that I have to become a mathematician, a good teacher. I had a dream. So to fulfill my dream, I visited Banaras Hindu University Library, which is 300 kilometers far away from my house. Every week, we visited there and studied the generals. And after some times, my 5 papers had been published in Mathematical Gazette and American Mathematical Monthly when I was graduate student only. After that, I got offer from Cambridge University for higher studies of mathematics. My family became very happy. Oh, Anand Kumar is going to Cambridge University for higher education. Very good news. But we had no money, even for flight fare. My father asked many people. We worked together for money. We asked, please give me some money. Many newspapers published the report that Anand Kumar is going to Cambridge University, but he has no money. Despite it, no one came to me for the help, because that time Prabhu Goel did not know about me. Otherwise, I had been supported. I tried a lot for money, but we failed. I told my father, please father, don't take tension. I will do better thing even in Patna, don't worry. But my father lived always in tension. And due to tension, uh, my father died suddenly due to heart attack. We never imagined that we lost my father in early age, and that was sudden death. Then all responsibility of my family came on my soldier. I have a brother, younger brother, my uncle, my grandmother. All responsibility came my soldier. So everyone suggested me that you should start a job, similar job as your father did in post office, postal department. A lot of friends of my father came to me and suggested me, forced me to do the same job. But my mother told me, beta, if you don't want to go to a job as father did, then leave it. I will support you. I will make papad. You should sell only 2 or 3 hours papad, and by earning money, we will survive. So you can see in the next slide, in this bad situation, my mother prepared papad, and I sold papad with my brother Parno Kumar. After some time, we realized that we should do something in Patna also. We can teach in Patna. So I started to teach in a very, very good coaching center. A lot of people gradually came to me and offered me a lot of good salary from Kota, from Delhi, because I became very famous teacher, mathematics teacher. Then a lot of people forced me, gave me a lot of offers. But Abhishek came to me and told me, sir, I have no money. I want to become an engineer. Then, due to inspiration of Abhishek, motivation of Abhishek, I started the program Super 30. We decided that we should work only for the underprivileged student. So I started the job Super 30. I requested my mother, mother, please help me. Then my mother became ready to cook for all 30 students. And a student started to live with us. Next slide. You can see my mother, she is cooking, still cooking she is. All 30 students live with us in my home, in my house. Next. After the success, a lot of people came to me and they were ready to give me donation. Anand, please take donation. A lot of people from America, England, like you, offered me. Anand, please accept donation, take donation. For example, you can see, next, Manmohan Singh ji. Next, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. Next. Twice met Narendra Modi ji. Next, Mukesh Ambani ji called me and told me that, Anand, I am ready to give you any monetary assistance. Anand Mahendra ji, a lot of people came to me, but I refused all. I do not accept any donation from anyone. We generate money ourselves by tutoring some privileged student. And this is only source that we survive. And this is only source of money from which our family and 30 students survive. But we do not take even single rupees from anyone, because we wanted to prove that if you have willpower, if you have keen interest in any work, you can do without any support. Next. If you do any work without support, with heart, with honesty, no one can support. Despite it, you have to face a lot of problems. Life is not very easy. I felt so. So, a lot of coaching mafias in Patna threatened me. Anand Kumar, what is the reason that you started such a program, free program? You are giving free education, free food, everything are free, and we are charging a lot, and we have no so good result, so stop it, close your door. Then I tried to convince them. sir, your profession is different. We are working only for 30 students. You have good business. So do your business. No, you have to become a member of Patna Kuching Association and you have to charge a standard fee. What is the reason? That you are different from us? No, this is not good. You have to pay. Then I told him, go, please do whatever possible. I will not stop my work. Then they threatened. After 7 or 8 days, I received a call from a very, very dangerous mafia. He lives in a jail for security reason. He always lives in a jail. From jail, he called me. Hello, Professor Anand. मुझे तुम पहचान रहे हो? मैं फलना फलना बोल रहा हूँ. Then I replied, oh, I thought कि about 3 or 4 days we finished our entrance test and a student has been not selected in my test and he threatened me. Then I told, oh बेटा, हम तुमको पहचान जाएंगे और बताओ तो कैसा लगेगा जब हम तुम्हारे माता पिता को बताएंगे कि आपका बेटा एक मास्टर को धमकी देता है. वो वापस फोन रख दिया. After 5 or 10 minutes again he called me. Oh, तुम नहीं पहचान रहे हो? गाली गलौज दिया. Then I reported police. Then police told me, please tell me the number. I told them number. They told me, oh, this is original criminal. You should be alert. Then it is very difficult task for me to survive there because I have to go to outside my house for tutoring the student to earn the money for our family, for the student. So after 7 or 8 days, again I started to work. And after 10 days or 12 days, some mafias, about 15 or 20 mafias came to my house and fire and with arms and attacked me. And you can see in the film. In the film, only one attack has been shown, but there are several attacks, 5 or 6 attacks. Once in one attack, a mafia stuck a knife in my non-teaching staff, Munna. You can see from here to here. And he admitted in Patna Medical College. And that time, a lot of people suggested me, Anand, what is the reason that you started such a program? You should close the program. Otherwise, you have to face a lot of problems. I was thinking, what should I do? But suddenly, doctor told me that he had to operate the Munna for their survival. Then, doctor asked me for 6 bottles of blood. Then every student of Super 30 is ready. And they told that please check my blood group first. Then I decided I have to continue my program Super 30. Next, हमारे भाई पर ट्रक चढ़ाकर उसके पैरों पर चढ़ कुचलने का प्रयास किया गया लास्ट ईयर ऑन 22 दिसंबर. उसका पैर 3 टुकड़े में टूट गया. नेक्स्ट then our student asked, what is the reason our teacher are generally attacked? What is the reason? Then our Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, provided me 4 security guard. And now I have 4 security guard. अब हमारी वाइफ कभी कभी कहती है कि चलिए पार्क चलते हैं घूमने, आज संडे है. चारों कहता चलिए सर हम भी साथ में चलेंगे. हमारी वाइफ भी IIT से पढ़ी हुई है, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हैं. तो उनको भी लगता है कहाँ कहाँ आके फंस गए, फिर भी साथ देती है. तो a lot of problems I faced. Next, but if you labor hard with full determination, then success will come. We thought that every year, if 5 students will qualify the entrance test of IIT program, then my program will be succeeded. But sometimes 18 out of 30, sometimes 20 out of 30, and in the last 18 years, 4 times 30 out of 30 students qualified the IIT exam. Out of 510 students, 440 students qualified the IIT entrance test, and other are qualified for another engineering examination. Next, then I became famous. People awarded me. Next, when generally in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Hindi belt, I go for the speech, a lot of people come. And police come to control the crowd. You can see in the picture. Then politician think that he should fight for the election. In the last election, a lot of politicians came and told me, देखते क्या हो, लहर को पहचानो, लहर पर अपनी नैया सवार करके पारो कर जाओ. कब तक बेटा पढ़ाते रहोगे. बहुत मैं भी सोचा भाई, हर आदमी को लोभ आ जाता है. बहुत समझाया. फिर कि if you become education minister of India, then you can do in a broad way, greater way. What is the reason that you teach only 30 students? So you should fight election. After 2 or 3 days, I decided that I should not fight election. I am happy with what I do. अगर हम इलेक्शन लड़ते तो पक्का जीत भी जाते, दावे के साथ. और जीत के हो सके सांसद में चले जाते, मिनिस्टर बनाता लोग या नहीं, लेकिन इलेक्शन जीत जाते. फिर प्रभु जी, रमेश सर कभी मुझे नहीं बुलाते. इसलिए मास्टरे बने रहने दीजिए, आप लोग से मिलते रहते हैं, ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. लाइफ का इसी में मज़ा है. Next, a lot of filmy people came to me. Next, Arakshan film has been made on my life. Amitabh Bachchan called me many times for the promotion of the film. During the promotion, I visited a lot of places with Amitabh Bachchan ji about 9 years ago. Next, last year, I was called in Kaun Banega Crorepati program, and I won 25 lakh rupees. Next, now there are a lot of fake Super 30, Super 100, next, Super 20, Gaya Super 30, original Super 30, even Raja Baja Super 30. Next, then a lot of people contacted me for the film. A biopic should be made on your life. A lot of people. So मैं सबका नाम भी नहीं लेना चाहता हूँ embarrass करने के लिए. बड़े बड़े एक्टर. No one suggested me that Ritik should do your job. ऋतिक आपका काम नहीं कर सकता, आपके तरह ऋतिक नहीं कर सकता. पूछा क्यों? तो ऋतिक looks as a Greek god, handsome. You looks as a देहाती ruler. How can he make? ये कैसे बना सकता है? तो मैं भी परेशान हो गया भाई. ऋतिक से अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर तुम्हारे लिए काम कर रहे हैं, तुमको करना चाहिए. अब कभी कभी बड़े बड़े एक्टर फ़ोन कर दे, डायरेक्टर फ़ोन उठाने में भी डर. उसी बीच बहुत टेंशन हुआ. रमेश सर बुलाए कि आओ कुछ दिन यहाँ पर आ जाओ. 10 दिन यहाँ रहे, आके आपके कैलिफोर्निया में डिसाइड किया कौन, किसी से भी पूछे ऋतिक ने. आई मेट many actors, but I have seen that thrust in Hrithik Roshan. He told me that Anand sir, film is not easy. I have to lose my muscles. I have to practice. I have to practice as you speak. I have to speak in Bihari. Very difficult film. And he labored hard for a year. Now film has been released and very successful. Film did very well. 150 crores in India, 60 crore overseas, and 75 crore satellite rights. But till there is no royalty given to me. I will ask to them. Next. Next. Next and last. Every people ask me, Anand, what is the technique that you use for the teaching? So, first of all, we have to motivate the student. There are two things. We have to motivate the student and create interest in mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So, I created two characters and made all my lessons in the conversation with Bholu and Ricky. Ricky is a good student from good family. He goes in a very big school like a 5-star hotel. Next. But it is Bholu. Bholu is from a village. He goes to government school. He has no facility. Bholu always read. But Ricky always read, sorry. But Bholu always thinks about the studies, about the physics. Thinking is more important than study, I feel. Next. He has a lot of facility. Next. But he has no facility. Next. Ricky eats chow-mein, pizza, hot dog, anything. Next. But he has simple food. Next. He says hi, hello. Next. He says pranam in Indian style. Next. But a problem from IIT JEE comes on a screen, then first Ricky comes and he solves the problem. And he asks Bholu, Arey Bholu, you are not solving the problem because you are from simple school. You have no proper education. You cannot solve the problem. Then again, Bholu, next. And Bholu speaks, please wait. I can solve the problem by second method. Next. Same problem can be solved by third method. I have also fourth solution of the problem. Next. कौन हीरो है, तू या मैं? पढ़ाई पैसे से आती है या जुनून और मेहनत से आती है, बता. This is the method I use. I always inspire the student to solve the problem. So this is my simple story, and I am very obliged all of you that you have given chance to speak before you. बहुत सारे लोग आईआईटी से किए, बहुत अच्छा. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा रमेश सर को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. In 2005, a article came in New York Times. He read and came to meet me in Bihar. But he has no my address. Then he asked Chief Minister of Bihar. Then Nitish Kumar replied, I don't know who is Anand Kumar. Then Ramesh sir replied, I live in America and I know about Anand Kumar, and you didn't know about who is Anand Kumar? Search who is Anand Kumar. Then Ramesh sir came to me, Nitish Kumar called me, and still Nitish Kumar supports me due to Ramesh sir. So I am very obliged to FFE, all its members. I need nothing from you, no donation, but please support me by your heart, by your blessing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching INDTV USA. Share your comments below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Facebook.